Last year I have received another award.
Telangana Pravasi Samaj Welfare Organization. I welcome you all, my media friends. I will say not media friends, I will say my cousins from media, because I was also one of the part of the media. I was correspondent of 7 newspapers in Uttar Pradesh, and I was holding the post of PRO in Central Bank of India. So we basically call ourselves the cousins, not media people. Thank you.
Good evening to all present here. As we all know, Dr. Ajay Agrawal is a well-known figure, a multifaceted personality, a versatile leader, a man, an icon in the field of public relation, PR. I would say that PR is not only in his spirit, but in his body, in his genes, and also in his chromosomes, I can say. He has been serving the society in different fields as a professional. He was heading the department in CBI, Central Bank of India, for a long time. And after that, he has been an inspiration to the youth, old, male, female, and also the third gender. His followers are all from all streams of society. He has a vast follower list. Politicians, film industry, social organizations, educational organizations, Indian universities, foreign universities. He has a vast following. He has been a very keynote speaker for many institutions, many foreign universities, Indian universities, corporates, business people, educational faculties, and much more organizations in the society. Everybody requests him, everybody feels the need for a lecture from him, even the bureaucratic circle as such. He has been giving lectures on PR to the IAS lobby also, on many occasions at Dr. Murray Chenna Reddy Institute also. We are honored that we have such a great personality among us, and today we are celebrating the award given to him at the Guinness Book of World Records for being a member of the 23 members who have been the positive game changers in the world as such. I congratulate him, and we all aspire that with all his experience, with all his knowledge about public relations, he would inspire the entire society to develop good human bonding and good relations with all others for betterment of the society and betterment of the organization. Thank you. Thank you. We felicitate Dr. Ajay Agrawal on this occasion. I request Ajay Agrawal ji, Ajay Mishra ji, to felicitate Dr. Ajay Agrawal. Felicitate. So I request Govind Agrawal come and felicitate Ajay Mishra ji on this occasion.
सबसे पहले आज 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 सबसे पहले जैसे जैसी आपकी आज्ञा है।
डॉक्टर अजय अग्रवाल। I request Dr. Izulal Jain ji to felicitate.
Today's chief guest, Shri Ajay Mishra ji, to say a few words on this occasion.
डॉक्टर अजय अग्रवाल जी, सुभाष अग्रवाल जी, बाकी गेस्ट, मीडिया के लोग, आज का दिन डॉक्टर अजय अग्रवाल भाई साहब को बधाई देने का तो है ही, उससे ज्यादा हमको खुशी खुद को हो रही है, वो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आज के दिन जो मैं अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। क्योंकि गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में आना एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, और जब आपके किसी भाई को वो मिलता है, आपके किसी परिवारजन को मिलता है, तो खुशी बहुत ज्यादा होती है। तो आज मैं उस खुशी की अनुभूति कर रहा हूँ। उसकी एक वजह ये भी मैं बता सकता हूँ, जो कि आप लोगों को कम मालूम होगी, कि डॉक्टर अजय जी का गांव और मेरा गांव 50 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है उत्तर प्रदेश में। ये बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है। वो दो अलग अलग जिलों में है, बट मैंने आते समय गूगल मैप पे देखा तो उसमें 45-46 किलोमीटर की दूरी दिखाई जा रही है। आपका
क्या आपको आगे पता चला?
नहीं, ये मुझे मालूम था कि डॉक्टर अजय जी शाहजहांपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से, मैं बगल के हरदोई जिले से हूँ, मेरा गांव वहीं पे है, पर मैंने कभी मतलब उतनी कोशिश नहीं की है। तो उससे खुशी और ज्यादा हो जाती है कि वहां से आप भी आए, हम भी आए, और यहाँ पे हम मिले। पिछले 20-30 साल से हम लोग मित्र हैं परिवार की तरह, और इनको ये मतलब ग्लोबल लेवल पे रिकॉग्निशन मिला है। डॉक्टर अजय जी को कितने पुरस्कार नेशनल लेवल पे मिले हैं उसकी लिस्ट आप सब लोगों के पास है, उसे मैं दोहराऊंगा नहीं, पहली चीज है। पर मैं सबसे जो मेन चीज बोलूंगा कि जो पिछले साल 11 महीने पहले जब ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में जो अवार्ड दिया गया है, वो सबसे ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि वो इंटरनेशनल भारत गौरव, मतलब जो लोग भारत के गौरव के पात्र हैं उनको दिया गया था, और वो हर भारतीय को नहीं मिला है, बहुत कम लोगों को मिला है। वो उस सम्मान से सम्मानित किया गया था डॉक्टर अजय जी को। किताब आपने देखी है, पूरे विश्व में 23 लोगों में डॉक्टर अजय जी का नाम आ गया है। देखिए वो सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि भारत में तो मतलब कितनी यूनिवर्सिटीज में, कितने फोरम्स में आपने स्पीचेस दी हैं, कितने आर्टिकल्स लिखे हैं, कितने न्यूज़पेपर्स में। उसका तो मैं एक ही चीज बोल सकता हूँ कि पिछले 2-3 साल से, रिटायरमेंट होने के बाद से, शायद ही कोई महीना ऐसा बचा होगा या कोई हफ्ता ऐसा बचा होगा जब मुझे बधाई नहीं देनी पड़ती थी। या तो कहीं पे आपकी स्पीच होती थी किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में या किसी अच्छे फोरम पे, या आपके आर्टिकल्स निकल रहे थे न्यूज़पेपर्स और जर्नल्स में। तो ये मतलब ये सब जिसे बोलना चाहिए कि सेंट्रल बैंक से हेड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन से रिटायर होने के बाद ये कर रहे हैं। ज्यादातर लोग नौकरी से रिटायर होने के बाद आराम से रहते हैं, पर आपकी गतिविधियां उसके बाद बढ़ गई हैं और इस लेवल पे बढ़ गई हैं कि हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ समाज के लिए करते हैं। देश में 10 से ज्यादा पुरस्कार मिल चुके हैं। इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे 2 हो गए हैं। पहला तो जो लंदन में मिला और दूसरा ये गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स। और उसके बाद जो चीज आपके प्रोफाइल में नहीं लिखी है पर जो मैं ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ, जो मैं बोलना चाहता था पर यहाँ पे वो वर्ड आ गया, हमेशा मैंने डॉक्टर अजय जी को पॉजिटिव मूड में देखा है। वो एक बहुत कम लोगों में होता है। ज्यादातर लोग कभी खुश होते हैं, कभी दुखी होते हैं, पर इनको हमने हमेशा पॉजिटिव मूड में देखा है। और जो एनर्जी लेवल हमने इनमें देखी, अभी भी देख रहे हैं, वो रिमार्केबल है। और उससे हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि अभी तो डॉक्टर अजय जी केवल 23 लोगों में आए हैं विश्व में, आगे ये और सिंगल डिजिट में भी पहुंचेंगे। अभी तो डबल डिजिट में है विश्व में, 23 में से है, क्योंकि उसमें रैंकिंग नहीं है ना। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि जब कभी आगे आने वाले दिनों में कोई दूसरी किताब निकलेगी, पब्लिश होगी, जिसमें 2, 4, 8, 10 लोगों के नाम होंगे विश्व में, जो लोग की विश्व में चीजों को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें डॉक्टर अजय जी का नाम होगा और हमारी खुशी तो खैर बढ़ती रहेगी। इसके साथ साथ मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा डॉक्टर अजय जी को, आप सब लोगों को, जिन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया यहाँ पे बोलने का। धन्यवाद।
See, on this occasion, I would like to request you to give me the award in person here, because I could not go to receive this award in Lord's Cricket Ground, London, due to some reasons. So the award has come to me a few days back. So I will like to take the award by his hand and his blessings for me to go further ahead, and blessings of all of you.
नहीं, इसमें मुझे भी बहुत खुशी है। किताब भी
This is a book brought out by the organization Guinness Book of World Records, London Organization of Social Development, and this is the thickest book made by them, and out of that they have taken this points for that. Very big book which cannot be got here, and they have given about the people who have got received about booklet on that, and they have given me about my biography or biodata in 16 pages in this book. So this is a proud moment for me also, that this type of book will go to lakhs of people, not only in India or Hyderabad, it will go throughout the world. And my happiness, I can't share my happiness with you. And this is the 23 positive change leaders in the world. And I dedicate this award to my mother and father. Because of their blessings, I could reach to this level, and I have got their blessings and my support from my family, my wife, my children, and my grandson also is here. He also supporting me.
चारों चीजें होती हैं।
But also I would like to share with you that this name has appeared in this book, which is a very big book and which cannot be brought it here. The award was given in December in London in Lord's Cricket Ground. And there was a very big function organized there, where many people, awardees and their relatives, friends, and they have assembled there in that. But due to some unavoidable reasons, I could not go there. And I will also like to tell about that, share few things. That my aim is there. There was an interview. My interview was taken in one magazine. And they asked me, what is your aim? I just said, I don't want to die unhurt. And I'm working in that direction, and that person, magazine, has given the caption in his my interview that I don't want to die unhurt. That motivated me. See, my nature is that I want to be different from others. I want to be outstanding wherever I am. I want to be recognized wherever I go. And being a PR man, PR is my passion. I learned PR even from children, even from animals, my friends, colleagues, and all this. And again, I am repeating at the same time, I don't want to die unheard. I want to do something for the society, for the country, because whatever I am today, it is because of the society. It is because of the blessings of my elders. I believe. So on that side, I will walk on the ramp also. And during COVID also, we have done a lot to support the people who are needy, those who are not having food, those who are not having money, and all the way we have supported them like everything. Also, I would like to share that we are running about 1 lakh schools in the country in remote rural areas. For that organization that is called Friends of Tribal Society. And we are running schools in remote rural areas to give them basic education, health, sanitization, our culture, and our Deshbhakti nationally. And we are very successful. I would like to tell you that we are running about 6,500 schools in rural areas in Jammu and Kashmir. And wherever our schools are there is no stone building, no nothing, no problem. And even children are Muslim, teachers are Muslim, but they say Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram. So our aim to inculcate the habit of nationalism. Nation is first. We are secondary. Our religion is secondary. Nation is first. So with that aim, we are very successful, and our organization, Friends of Tribal Society, where I am the state vice president and the CSR committee chairman for South India. We have given them, we are giving them even computerized education also, and we have got about 29 buses fully fitted with computer, and they go to rural areas, educate them, motivate them, and teach them to stand on their own legs. So these are the few things, and my aim is the sky is limit for me. I don't want to sit idle. Still, I don't sit idle. I go on doing something. I do write articles. I do give lectures. I want to be something different from others. With this, I must thank you all. I must thank Ajayji. He is more than a brother to me, always available to me for coming and gracing this occasion. This is a proud to be with me at this proud moment. I thank my all friends also, my well-wisher also, and my media cousins. They are cousins, no? Because I told you that I was a correspondent also for 7 newspapers in UP already. So my message I want to communicate to the people, because public relations is a subject everybody does, but they forget the importance of public relations. So my message to all the people that do the public relations with some expert. Don't do the public relations, but the work is over and forget. If you do the PR, understand the importance of PR and follow the PR, you need not to run after success. Success will follow you. And on this I have written a book also, last year written Public Relations, a tool for success, which already 4,000 books have been sold. This is a very good book. Whoever has read it, they have appreciated and liked it. It is the best-selling book as of now. And another book is coming of mine, that is about my biography, and Hindi version of this book, PR and Tool for Success, and the compilation of all the articles which I have written. I have written more than 300 to 400 articles in different newspapers, magazines. I have given a interview on Doordarshan radio, or recently last month only there was an interview of mine in Doordarshan for about 55 minutes. So I talk on PR, and I want to communicate this message that PR is the thing. This, follow it, it will change your life and you will be successful wherever you are. Thank you.